Crying is good for your health. It flushes unhealthy bacteria out of your body, strengthening the immune system and relieving stress.
Did you know that just 1 minute of anger can weaken your immune system for up to 4-5 hours? When your emotions run high, it can have more than just a psychological impact. It also affects our physical well-being. This is where you can activate the power of mindfulness meditation. You would need to finely chew and eat about 200 apple seeds, or about 40 apple cores, to receive a fatal dose. The Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry (ATSTR) says that exposure to even small amounts of cyanide can be dangerous. Cyanide can harm the heart and brain, and even lead to coma and death. The egg, and more precisely, the egg yolk, is a vitamin-rich food that contains all vitamins except vitamin C ascorbic acid.